numerical number 5.8. Now while completing its third oscillation, means two oscillations are complete. So this is of 2 pi, this is of 2 pi. So I can write 2 into 2 pi, 4 pi of course. So here this is done. While completing its third oscillation during linear SHM, the particle is at, now the position of the particle is given minus root 3 upon 2a. So see, if I see the displacement, that is in negative. So the displacement, that is y, is in negative. Of course this is positive side of x-axis, y-axis, and this is negative side of y-axis. So negative side of y-axis is shared by two quadrants. If I'll show it in this circle, then negative side is shared by third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Here the circle gets completed, that is 2 pi, and here how much gets completed, that is just pi. So it is, if it is third quadrant, then pi plus something, and if it is fourth quadrant, then 2 pi minus something. So now we will have to see whether it is third quadrant or fourth quadrant. Let's move ahead. Heading to the mean position, the particle is at this location and it is moving towards mean position. So if the particle is crossing pi, then it will head towards negative extreme. And here in the question it is mentioned particle is heading towards mean. So of course the particle is in fourth quadrant, means it is moving from negative extreme and it is going towards the mean position, means somewhere the particle is in fourth quadrant, means this is perfect. That is theta, which is 2 into 2 pi, that is two circles are complete, plus, now talking about this circle in which we are specifying the particle, the phase of the particle, that is 2 pi minus something, means it has completed two circles. Now it has completed till 3 pi by 2. It is somewhere in the fourth quadrant and it is going towards mean position to complete the third one. So 2, that is 2 pi, 2 pi, 4 pi. So I have written it like this, 2 into 2 pi, that is 4 pi plus this one. Now for this one, where is my particle? It is in fourth quadrant. So for fourth quadrant, I'll have to write some phase angle. So this is that is 2 pi minus something, means my particle is somewhere in this quadrant. But minus how much? I need this. So this is given to me. So from this I'll find out. I have the formula, y is equal to a sine, again it is talking about mean position. So we will keep phi as 0. So a sine theta. Y is given to me is minus root 3 upon 2a sine theta. So a and a gets cancelled. Minus root 3 upon 2, that is equal to sine theta. Which value of sine theta will give me root 3 upon 2? Sine 60 will give me root 3 upon 2. Let this minus be over here. It is just telling you about the direction. So 60 is that theta. So here I'll write 60. But here we are talking in terms of pi. So 60 degree is nothing but pi upon 3. So instead of 60, you can write it like this. That is 2 into 2 pi plus 2 pi minus pi upon 3. That is 2 pi minus 60 will bring you in fourth quadrant. So this is the phase angle. Determine the phase angle. The phase angle is determined. Okay, we can solve it further. This becomes 4 pi plus Yeah, we can open it or just we can keep it. So let's do it. So open the bracket. So it will be 2 pi minus pi upon 3. So 4 pi 2 pi is 6 pi minus pi upon 3. So 3 6 are 18 pi minus pi upon 3, that is 17 pi upon 3. This is that phase angle in radians.